Welcome friends. Today we are going to see 200 objective type environmental science questions which will be useful to school students and college students. Hello friends. Let's see the question one by one. First question, the number of births per thousand is called crude birth rate. Second question, July 11 is called World Population Day. Third one, in India, human population has higher number of younger age group because of short lifespan and higher birth rate. Fourth question, group of interbreeding organism found in a particular area is called population. Fifth question, each environment supports a limited population depending upon its carrying capacity. Density of a population D is given as the formula D equal to number divided by space, the number of peoples living divided by the space. Okay, if the number is greater, the density will be greater. If the space is very small, the density will be greater. That is, D is directly proportional to N, D is inversely proportional to S. So remember the formula D equal to N by S. Next, demographic features of developing countries are having high fertility, falling mortality rate, rapid growth and young age distribution. Demographic, eighth question, demographic features of the same question. So next, the zero population growth due to equal birth and death rates is called demographic transition. That's the birth rate will be equal to death rate. If there is 100 birth means there should be 100 death. So this should be equal. It's called demographic transition. The number of babies produced per 1000 individual is called natality. If the rate of addition of new members increases with respect to the individual lost of the same population, then the graph obtained has exponential growth. Is exponential growth. One of the critical mechanisms by which the environment controls population of species is called control on death rate. The study of trends in human population growth and prediction of future growth is called demography. I already told that demography. Population explosion has occurred in the last 150 years. Before that 150 years there was no population explosion. Past 150 years the population explosion occurs. Today the world's number one problem is a population explosion. It's not natural calamities, it's not due to nuclear proliferation or pollution. Among this, the population explosion as the major world problem. Okay. Next, HIV is not likely to be transmitted by breastfeeding. HIV will not transfer due to the breastfeeding of a mother. Okay. Next, 17th question. The carrying capacity of a population is determined by limiting resources. Population pyramid are useful to express age, sex distribution and population. Concept that population increases geometrically while food supply increases arithmetically was given by Thomas Malthus. is said that the population increase has been very more, that is it increases in geometrically, that is at a higher rate, while the food supply to the human beings is arithmetically, that means very low. That's the meaning. Next question. Unrestricted reproductive capacity in a population is called biotic potential. Which of the following is a problem not associated with population growth? First one, increased resource consumption is also related to population growth. Environmental pollution is also related to population growth. Food and energy shortage is also related to population growth. Hence the answer is none of these. Human population is small. There is greater chance of genetic drift. The disease which wiped out 33% of population of Europe in 12th and 13th century was due to the disease called plague. The plague disease wiped out most of the fatal death in Europe during the 12th and 13th century was due to the disease called plague. Okay. 24th question. Exponential growth in population occurs when there is no environment resistance. The average life of expectancy around the world is currently increasing. The world population in 2000 was approximately 6 billion. The main factors contributing to the decline in death rate in 20th century were improved healthcare, sanitation and nutrition. This was the reason why the death rate was reduced during the 20th century. Human population growth is J-shaped curve, that is it goes on increasing. The shape of the curve was J-shaped. It's not a horizontal or L-shaped, or it's not a parabolic. It's always increases. What is the most important factor for the success of animal population is adaptability. Animals always leads to adaptability. The main cause of the world population growth in 18th and 19th century was industrial revolution. A population is a group of individuals in a species. In the breakdown of the ozone layer, the ozone O3 directly reacts with chlorine atoms. It reacts with chlorine atoms. Next, chlorofluorocarbon, that is the freon gas, releases a chemical harmful to the ozone is chlorine. It's not a fluorine or it's not a carbon, it's a chlorine. Thickness of ozone layer is measured in Dobson unit. It's a Dobson unit. Which of the following statement about ozone is true? That is the first one. You see, ozone is a major constituent of photochemical smog. No, it's false. Ozone is highly reactive. It's false. It protects us from harmful UV radiation of the sun. It is the true statement. Increasing skin care and high mutation rate are the result of ozone depletion. So due to ozone depletion, the UV radiation directly falls on our skin and it damages our skin and causes cancer, skin cancer. Okay, it's due to ozone depletion. Formation of hole in ozone is maximum over Antarctica region. It's not in India or Europe or Africa, it's in Antarctica region. Peeling of ozone umbrella which protects us from UV rays is caused by chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFCS, means chlorofluorocarbon, that is CF2Cl2 is a chemical formula for that ozone, chlorofluorocarbon, that is nothing but a freon gas. Which one of the following gases can deplete the ozone layer upon the upper atmosphere? That is carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Ozone layer is present in stratosphere. So there are more layers: troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So the ozone layer was densely present in the stratosphere. Ozone Day is observed in 16th September. 16th September is called as a Ozone Day. Remember that. Which is the only country who has not ratified the Kyoto Protocol yet is United States. Which of the following processes adds to the removal of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? It's nothing but a photosynthesis, the phenomenon of photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a potential adverse effect of global warming? It's a increase of UVB radiation. Excess atmospheric carbon dioxide increases greenhouse effect as carbon dioxide is opaque to IR radiations. Things you can do to decrease global warming include: reduce usage of your air conditioner on high. Yes, it's true. Turn off your light when you are not in using them. Yes, it's also right. Use public transport instead of personal vehicles for transportation. Yes. So answer is all of the above. Solar radiation that bounces off the earth back towards the atmosphere is mostly infrared radiation. How are humans making greenhouse gases of our own? Is a burning of fossil fuels, because the burning of fossil fuels produces most of the carbon dioxide gas. Okay. And the 49th question, the two major impacts expected as a result of rising global temperature are regional climatic changes and a rise in sea level. This answer. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Is water vapor. Water vapor is not a greenhouse gas. Methane, ozone, carbon dioxide are greenhouse gas. Next. Which of the following statements regarding greenhouse effect has the lowest degree of certainty? Global warming will result in an increase in the number of tropical storms. Which of the following greenhouse gas is entirely anthropogenic in origin? The answer is carbon dioxide. Which of the following effect is responsible for global warming? Is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect causes mainly the global warming. Which country has organized its cabinet meeting under the sea to drag attention of the world towards the global warming and its threats? Is Maldives. Which gas is responsible for the global warming? Is carbon dioxide gas. Again the question has been repeated. Next, the main components of photochemical smog is water vapor, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, all of the above. Which of the following are major causes of land degradation? Is deforestation. Noise is measured by sound meter and the unit is decibel. The sound was measured in decibel. Possible health effects of noise pollution includes all of the above, that is hearing loss, hypertension, cardiovascular effect, all of the above. What is Kyoto Protocol? Kyoto Protocol, it is an agreement among the countries to take steps for reducing global warming. Is called Kyoto Protocol. Which gas is responsible for ozone layer depletion around the earth? It is chlorofluorocarbon. Again the question has been repeated. A river with high BOD, BOD means biological oxygen demand value, means highly polluted. BOD stands for biological oxygen demand. BOD, expansion of BOD is biological oxygen demand. Which of the following is the best indicator of sulfur dioxide pollution? Is lichens. The supersonic jets cause air pollution by the thinning of ozone layer. Pollutants that are easily manageable and decomposable in nature are called biodegradable pollutants. Yes, biodegradable pollutants. 67th question. Increase in concentration of toxic level in each tropic level is referred to as biomagnification. Identify the aftermaths of acid rain from the following. It's all of the above, that is a dissolving and washing away of nutrients from the soil, increasing the acidity of soil, thereby hindering the growth of plants, damaging the building materials, heritage sites, all of the above. Yellowing of Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal becomes damaged due to the effect of acid rain. Due to acid rain, the Taj Mahal is slowly damaging or yellowing. The discharge of warm hot water directly into rivers is known as thermal pollution. Which out of the following is a measure to control air pollution? Is all of the above. That is a reduction in use of fossil fuels, increasing use of renewable energy resources, using catalytic converters in vehicles. Which of the following are consequences of ozone depletion? Is skin cancer and cataract. It's a skin disease. Aerosols containing of solid particles produced by combustion is smog. Disposable glasses and plates are made up of polypropylene polymer. It is a polypropylene polymer. Greenhouse effect is linked to carbon dioxides. A common bactericide used in swimming pool is chlorine. Chlorine is a bactericide. The poisonous gas given out of vehicle exhaust is carbon monoxide. Is a deadly poisonous gas, carbon monoxide, CO. pH of rainwater is 5 to 6. Is almost nearly neutral. Is a 5 to 6. Which of the following does not cause air pollution when used for heating purpose? Is a solar energy. The answer is solar energy. The burning of fossil fuels releases large amount of sulfur. Mainly the compound is sulfur. Treated water can be disinfected by adding chlorine. Main source of acid rain is sulfur dioxide. The acid rain contains sulfur dioxide. It mixes with water and produces sulfuric acid. Okay. The biogas contains mainly methane. Methane is the major constituent of biogas. Unfavorable alteration of environment by human activities is termed as ecological degradation. 5th June is observed as a World Environment Day. You have to remember the days. Which group of vertebrates comprises of highest number of species is fishes. Darwin's finches are good example of adaptive radiation. Which one of the following regions in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? It is the Western Ghats. Which one of the following has the maximum genetic diversity in India? The answer is mango. Endemic species are species localized in a specific region. It's called endemic species. Hotspots are the region of high diversity. Ex situ conservation includes all of the above. That is ex situ conservation, zoo, botanical garden, germ plasm bank. Everything uh, relates to ex situ conservation. It's not in situ conservation. And next question. Which one of the following is not included under in situ conservation? It is zoo. Zoo is a ex situ conservation. Conservation within the natural habitat is in situ conservation. Blue whale is placed under endangered. Dodo is extinct species. Most important reason for decrease in biodiversity is habitat destruction. Which of the following regions has the maximum diversity? Is coral reefs. IUCN headquarters is at Margus in Switzerland. Red Data Book contains data of threatened species.